I think people like Mitch McConnell, who you just had on, who is a mainstream conservative politician, are going to be put into a very, very difficult place. And I would hope that people like Senator McConnell and other Republicans have the courage to stand up, A, to Trump's movement toward authoritarianism, toward a situation where Trump says, everybody is terrible and wrong. I am the only guy who can protect the American people. You know what? Men and women in our military did not stand up and fight and die to lead us in the direction of an authoritarian society. We are a democracy, not a one-man show. We are not another Trump enterprise. It's called the United States of America. We're not a business run by Mr. Trump. And I hope that Senator McConnell, who's a decent guy, conservative guy, I disagree with him on everything. But I would hope that he and his Republican friends will make it clear to Trump that this country belongs to all of us and that it's not a one-man show.
Senator